Hey class, so today we are going to be learning about why people move from place to place. Since we're in Nevada, I figured that it would only be appropriate. So let's start off with Spring Creek. People tend to move here because it's a smaller area, so there's less people to deal with. Now, it may seem like there's nothing to do in Spring Creek, but right here I am showing you something, the Spring Creek Marina, which is full of fun activities. There is a play area, there is a picnic area, and there is even a large lake there where you can fish, swim, or even travel a boat there if you so desire. Now next up, which is further off in Spring Creek, is the Lamoille Canyon, which I will be directing us to right now. Lamoille Canyon is a place with mountains, beautiful hiking areas, creeks, and even a lake. The best times of the year to visit this place are the summer and the fall. The fall especially because of all the beautiful leaves. These leaves' colors are orange, yellow, and red. Now next up is another place in Elko County, which is Elko. One of the most common places in Elko is the Star Hotel. The Star Hotel also features a restaurant on the very first floor of the building. It is the oldest building known to Elko, having been built in 1909 and later opened in 1910. Now let's take that street view and take a look at what it really looks like from the street. Now, here it is right here. Now, isn't that just beautiful? It just looks so vintage, I would say. You can obviously tell that it is an extremely historical building. Now, let me exit Street View so that we can show you our next site to see. Now, next site is Lake Tahoe, which is near the more common city, Reno. Now, Reno itself is considered as the biggest little city in the world. But Lake Tahoe itself is a mystery, and that mystery is it in California? Is it in Nevada? Well, that mystery is solved very simply. It's in both. Lake Tahoe is in both California and Nevada. This lake is also very cold to swim in, which is caused by the snow melting from the mountains after winter. Now, last but not least, is the most common city in Nevada, which is Las Vegas. Vegas is known for a lot of things. It is known for the Strip, it is known for its casinos, it is known for fun kiddie places like the M&M's factory, but one of the most inspiring things to me that really catches my eye is the Stratosphere. So let me direct us over there. Now, the Stratosphere, which is right here, is the tallest building in Vegas and possibly even in Nevada. It is 1,149 feet tall, which makes it the tallest building in Las Vegas, possibly Nevada. As a matter of fact, I myself have climbed up to one of the very top areas of the building. I would say that it was quite an enjoyable experience. Now, I hope you enjoyed this tour of some of the well-known features of some of Nevada's common cities.